Tonight I got one odd video I want to make. Why is it odd? Actually, it's me doing something mental, and you know what? I need to get the mental tool over there to cut it open. So I should probably stop here and get back to. Well, anyway, I'll tell you what it is first. I have this. See this? It's a Dysan filter. I want to see how it was put together, because what sucks is there's a filter in here. It's got this big plastic Wasteful cap. Why didn't they just make the filter go in the cap and screw the cap on? Instead, if you go on Dysan's website, they're $29, and if you go to Amazon and buy a knockoff filter, they're like what, $12 for two of them. So I want to see how this thing was. I'm pretty sure it was put front loaded and it pops in somehow, and I want to see if I can unload it somehow. So we'll take a look here real quick. Why am I doing this? Not for the sake of science. I'm just for the sake of curiosity. So I guess there's a seam around here. See, I'm probably gonna, if I stick something there, I know I'm probably gonna take my finger out. Let me try a little poke thing here. What are these things? See, not sure how it. See, there's a seam around here, and I'm wondering how does it click in there. There's a thing right here. Is that how it comes out? Like that? Something in there. There's a little black dot right there. Oh wait, what's this? What's this? Oh, no, it's still. See, there's no. There's a thing in. Is that how it's locked in? I don't know. I wouldn't think so. Maybe it's glued together. Maybe it's glued. I'm gonna see, because the air goes in and then shoots out the side. So I'm gonna figure out what's in this. Give me 1 second here. Let me get a grinder. Ah, my foot's caught. See now, if I had a 3D printer and a 3D scanner, I would take this apart, scan the outside, and make it so this thing comes so that this is one piece, and put a filter in the back and just lock it in place, or cut it out and just make an adapter for it. But I'm not that cool, so I'm just gonna cut it open. Dysan, well engineered. How's it smell? Not too bad. There we go. So now we have it. All it is a filter that's on there. But how the hell does it? Was this glued in place? Like, what the hell is holding it in? What's holding it on here? Oh, that's weird. What the hell's holding it in there? It's glued in place, I think. So anyway, you have a filter in there. Now, it's kind of squishy like a filter. It's not a metal canister, it's just paper filter. I think what it is, the paper filter glued on here. Dysan PC PBT 3G112324. What the hell that means. I'm going to cut it right here now. Right around here. Let's see. I'm sure this can be healthy. It's probably carcinogenic. Don't breathe it. Let's see if this pops out now. So now we see there's a filter cartridge that's somehow locked in here. How the hell was that? Oh yeah, I get it. This locks. There's a little lock right here. And this thing goes down in here. So now I know if this thing locks together like so. See it locked, there's a piece here and a piece here that locks into right here. Now I know if I drill the hole right in here, I could push this out. If I drill the hole right there and right there, I could pop this off. Thus probably making some kind of, see, because this would still lock on. If I had a cover, I could probably make a cover that goes on here and just click, locks on. It'd be an interesting idea. I mean, I don't know how to engineer shit like this, but it's a pretty simple, ingenious idea. But anybody want to see? Actually, right there's a little seam line right here. So the next ones, if they're the same, I'll cut a hole and I'll try to pop them open. See, because this locks. This is the way it goes on it. This goes on here like this, and this would come off here. So the next one, I theoretically could. Let's see. It goes this way. There we go. That goes on like that. I theoretically could zip a hole right in this line here and pop it in there and pop the filter head off, which would give me, it would be cool if this came out, this filter would be, but it doesn't. It looks like it's definitely glued in there, because you can see the glue in here. See if I take the glue out. See if I get the glue out. Coming out. Oh, there we go. See? Wonder if I can find a filter like this somewhere. So we know the filter will just rip right out. It's pretty cool. It's glued in there pretty nice. Pretty sure I can rip this side off too. It's a force. Oh, maybe not. So that's neat. See, they should make a, if this came out and this was on there, I could hold it in there and you could just lock this in place. I'm going to remember this for next time, because next time I'm going to try to pop the lid off here like this. See? Next time I'm going to try to pop the lid off, so I have this little tiny Dysan lid here like this. I'm going to drill a hole in here and here and pop it out. See? If I know there's a little thing here, I could theoretically put a screw in here, just like this. Pop a hole in there, pop that out, and almost make like and if this comes out the way it is, I could theoretically make a reusable canister. And then put a little dab of glue in there. Just be like, here you go. Because it's not oval, it's round. They make you think you got some oval filter. Theoretically, the other thing I could do is probably blow all the shit out of here that's accumulating, because I'm pretty sure there's quite a bit of, I'm not going to dust it off here, but if you go like this, you'll get tons of dust. Because the problem I had was blowing the dust out of here. I know filters, like if it's just dirt filter, you could blow the dirt out of it. So yeah, that's my wonderful big thing here, which is, see, why don't they make it unclip? Just put a filter in, you could reuse this. Instead, you got one-time use, all this plastic, when you could just make this one-time use. No, we live in a world where, let's spend 30 bucks on what is it, $3 piece of plastic. At least I figured out how it works. That was my whole goal of this video, figure out how it works, and that's what I did. So if anybody's out there who's got a plastic 3D printer, if you know how to take this apart, we probably could just 3D print a new top. See, Dysan, genuine Dysan. Anyway, it's fun to watch my head glow. Sometimes it's just fun to take shit apart, see what's in it. People are like, how do you know what's in it? Because I destroyed one. I found one on the side of the road and I wrecked it. So, but yeah, if you look at this, there's a line right there. Right at the top, if you drill the small hole, there's a line at this side too. Hopefully they're all built the same way, but at the center of the oval, I just bought some new ones, so I'm gonna demolish the new ones when they're done. I should keep the filter and be like, am I got a filter this big? See if I can find a filter. I do want to get a 3D printer and a little scanner, but not right now. I got too many hobbies. I honestly like metal stuff because metal lasts forever. Well, actually it doesn't last forever. Metal stuff lasts a hell of a lot longer than plastic. Because you look at all the plastic stuff in the 50s and 60s, it's all crumbling. They're in the dust. So anyway, thanks for watching. That was my short little video. Hopefully I have something better for you next time. Toodles.